Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So Orlando Pirates iyodlala against iPyramids FC kwi-second leg ye-Champions League semi-final. Yabo badlala le eCairo. Bahambile ngoba nayo iSundowns iyodlala against iAl Ahly iyodlala khona le eCairo. Yabo bawo-represent South Africa bazozama ukushaya ama-team ase-Egypt kwela kubo. Yabo Orlando Pirates seke yakwenza ngaphambilini kuyona le season le yashaya iAl Ahly idlala home. Yabo so izobe kuyigame ebalekile le for Orlando Pirates ngoba iyodlala nePyramids FC i-team aseyibadlala nawo bedlala ku-first leg. Yabo bengawona ke ama-results amahle even though they didn't concede, but ke second leg asazi usiphatheleni. So ngizoshayela na prediction ye-scheme mhlambe engenzeka sisebenzele kangcono kule game esoyidlala against iPyramids FC. Yabo first and foremost, I would like to start uSipho Chain at the back. He's our only goalkeeper esingakwazi ukuthembela kuyena at the moment. Yabo I've seen some criticism about him. Yabo I've seen some fans blaming uSipho Chain for not starting the ball yabo soon. Yabo not starting the ball nje early, like methola iball umchido vela kuthola abami iball mase yalala yahluleka ukustart iball fast si break sikwazi ukuyibulala i-team esilala nayo. So mina angivumelani nako kusuke kunezinto ezidala ukuthi akwenze lokho. Yabo kukhona izimo la libonayo ibhola ukuthi hayi usengalishaya lapha ibhola alinikeza umdlali mhlawumbe alinikeza unkota akwazi ukushaya irun unkota abulala ugoalkeeper. Yabo kunezimo lapha ayibona khona. The reason why esuke lala usuke ebona ukuthi asikho isidingo sokuthi ashaya ibhola le, what if ibhola liyaphuma because umdlali vele umakiwe inkota wayemakiwe kule game leya. So umjida ngamqalisa kule game. I-criticism yami ukuthi umjida angazi noma uyahluleka ngikhuluma ne-defense yakhe, kumele akwazi ukushaya i-defense yakhe. Uma wasubheka ama-goals esiwaconcedile like bese waconcede because ama-goal igoli lokuqala bekuyi-offside, lesibili kuyi-handball. Like yabo umbokazi wafleka ibhola as a goalkeeper, why ungashawuthanga kwi-defender yakho ukuthi uyilekele lelo bhola ungalithinti ungaliflick ungalenzi lutho lelo bhola because there's an offside player vele. Don't touch the ball, ibhola lizoza kumina vele. Don't flick the ball. Yabo kumele ucommunicate ne-defense yakho. Why are you not communicating with your defense mkushawa i-corner kick? Because kushawa i-corner kick, communicate ne-defense yakho ukuthi kunomdlalo ongamakiwe la bazoheada bahedele epalini. Yabo umjida izona izinto engingayithandi ngathi uyahluleka ukucommunicate ne-defense yakhe. Kule game kumele sigweme into kanjalo because ibaluleke kakhulu le game le. Center back yami yokuqala ngadlalisa uThapelo Xhoki. Thapelo Xhoki, the reason why I'm starting this guy is because if you can see indlela edlala ngakhona ama-aerial football, ama-aerial balls asibulela kakhulu, asikwazi ukudefend ama-aerial balls. So we need some height at the back. But we need some stability at the back. So I trust uThapelo Xhoki to handle those aerial balls asibulala emuva. Yabo I trust the guy to play asinikeze better leadership role in that center back. Yabo in that center back position simdinga nje ezofaka i-leadership role, akwazi ukudefenda, angenzika mistakes asidalela ama-penalty angasidalenga la amahinda angenasidingo mfethu. Usidinga nje laphana i-clean sheet nje wadlala away mase ukuthi umuntu azodlala kanye naye uSibisi. Yabo I like uSibisi mfethu, I like uSibisi a lot. Kule season nje uyadeserve i-defender of the season, even nakuyona i-CAF Champions League uyayideserve. Yabo so I trust uSibisi to do umsebenzi obalekile kule center back position. Yabo mase uthi badlala nobani, badlale noMpokazi. Yo bathathu nje amaZulu lawa umkhaya laba ngifuna badlale bathathu lapha badefende yonke into ethi iyasondela kule defense ngifuna bayihlakaze. Yabo bayishaya phansi. So I trust these three guys to play ibhola elimangalisayo lapha emuva. Yabo mase kuthi i-left wing back yami mhlawumbe abanye bangangixeka labathi why udlalisa uMarco, but I trust uPaseka Marco to play ibhola lapha. Paseka Marco, the reason why I'm putting him there, mwasubheke last game esiyidlalile sabona ama-mistakes edala uDion Hotto. Dion Hotto did some mistakes angadingakali. Yabo wow nje wena amaphasa amaningi alidela ukuthi Orlando Pirates yabo ibe ne-pressure isidingo singekho. So I put uPaseka Marco in that position, adlale umsebenzi usimple ukudefenda kuphela. You don't have to do izinto eziningi ukudefenda kuphela. Yes uPaseka Marco uyakwazi ukuya phambili add ama-ball naye phambili. I trust him to do that also. Yabo ingakho ngidlalisa i-back 5. I trust him to go wide and add the numbers phambili, and I trust him to come back and help the team defend. Mchidu yakwazi ukudefenda siyamazi uPaseka Marco. Yabo I'm not expecting him to be u-freeway. Fiston Mayele umdlali ogijima kakhulu, mele sikwazi ukumaka Fiston Mayele une-pace. Yabo so I trust uPaseka Marco to deliver in that position. Yabo mase siba no Van Rooyen kuleli side la ka right. I trust uVan Rooyen to do umsebenzi ocishe ufane nowapaseka Marco. Van Rooyen ke bafethu udlala kahle last game indlela yakhona yabo. Van Rooyen kuningi asinikeza kona sometimes isinokumgxeka but umjida mfethu uyadlala mfethu umjida uyayimisela ngempela indlela adlala yakhona yabo. So I trust uVan Rooyen to deliver another 10 out of 10 performance in that position because siyawudinga bafethu sayidinga iwin sicishe ngathi 3 points sayidinga iwin sadinga ukuya kwifinal hayi kabi siyadinga nje ukuya kwifinal ye-CAF Champions League kumnyama kubufu. So I trust uVan Rooyen to deliver in that position. Mase seza ku-engine yethu, yes engine yethu sometimes ayidlali kahle yabo. Recent games abajida abadlalanga kahle but ke kule game le sebadinga ngempela be 10 out of 10. We saw last game the player that we were playing against we Pyramids FC udlala phezulu ku-Tora. That player is phenomenal player yabo. Nje wasadlala second leg right now. We know how they play yabo. We have studied their game plan, we have studied the way they play yabo. So zama ukuhlanganisa lapho nalapho, so zama ukubheka ukuthi okay izinto esasiphetha kuzona kule game leya sokwazi ukuyisebenzisa kule game. Siyeka ama-loose balls ase-center fethu shama pass yabo. Ama-pass amaningi lapha sashama misplaced pass isidingo singekho nje, so misplace ama-pass ethu so sokwazi ukusebenzela kulowo ma-mistakes. I trust these two guys to work on that. Makhihle Makhawula benomphathi sebesebenze kaningi-ke abajida hlezi ngibabala la bayakwazi ukudlala lapha eswini, bayakwazi ukwenza Orlando Pirates ibe stable lapha eswini. Ibona abadlali bawu-2 engibathembayo. Maybe Goodman Mosele, yes here and there, but I trust these two guys yabo. Mase kuthi kwi left wing position I trust olumfethu lo Mfokeng. I trust Mfokeng to deliver for Orlando Pirates kule game yakusasa. I trust the guy to deliver even though umjida ngawabona amagoli yabo. Amagoli akanawo amagoli Mfokeng, angazi kwenze njani. Mina asinikeze more goals umjida but yena uyadlala yabo, uyadlala Mfokeng but ngidinga ukubona more goals from the young boy yabo. One of the best youngsters in South Africa at the moment. We need to see more goals Mfokeng mfethu. Ayikabi game yakusasa ibaluleke kakhulu. It is your time to shine. It is your time to shine Mfokeng yabo. Mase kuthi kule position yaka right kuzodlalisa bani abanye abantu futhi ngibavumelane nami but ke ngingadlalisa uDion Hotto. Reason being playing uDion Hotto kuleli side leli kuzosinikeza more edge. Masubheke la kunoVan Rooyen masokuthi phambili kunoDion Hotto. uVan Rooyen une pace vele. Dion Hotto flick the ball. Sithi flick uDion Hotto uVan Rooyen ashaya ibhola hambe ngoline uba kulo line lo Dion Hotto une pace yabo, une pace same as uVan Rooyen. They both have pace. Bazokwazi ukudlaliselana kule position nje, bazokwazi ukudlala ndawonye yabo. I trust the guys to deliver for us. Dion Hotto phambili unawo ama-skills umjidi uzokwazi ukudriblisha afaka i-cross eboxini a-add ama-goal add ama-numbers same as Mfokeng at this side. Mfokeng yakanayo i-pace yabo. I trust Mfokeng to drift towards the center mase yakhuphuka upaseka Marco kule position. Mfokeng uzodrifta inside adlale lapha as a number 10 role noma mhlambe mefuna ukuya wide wide assist team imark yabo. Mase kuthi number 10 wethu ngabe uMahopa. Abusayisi number 10 number 9 position ngabe uMahopa mfethu yena mdlali ongadlala leya position leya yabo, abe striker nje for Orlando Pirates. So iyona ke lineup prediction yami mina engayisetha mase ngithola ithuba yabo, ngiyezwa ngawo. The reason why ngimdlalisa uSibisi, the reason why ngimphusha kanje lapha, uSibisi uzokwazi ukukhuphuka asize i-defense yabo, asize i-defense. uSibisi athathe ibhola alise lapha eswini yabo, akwazi ukudlalisa lapha because kunabadlali abanayo experience kule team ye-Pyramids. So iyona lineup prediction yami le. Ungangitshela wona ngelineup prediction yakho, lineup prediction yakho kuthi kuma substitutes ngafaka Nkota, aboDlamini bakhona, aboTito Maswangayi yabo, bakhona aboNdlozi, many players nje engakwazi ukubafaka mfethu as ama substitutes. So let's say I'm doing a substitution right now. Ngathatha uDion Hotto ngimbeke lapha as a left back mase ngifaka uNkota lapha, ngikhiphe uMbatha ngifaka uDlamini yabo. siya create ama chances lapho that's a